Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to activate your Aspen card. First, find your new Aspen card and the activation sticker. Next, call the toll-free number printed on that sticker. Listen carefully to the automated prompts. You will need to enter some personal information to verify your identity. This process ensures your card is secure and ready for use. It's a quick and straightforward call. When you call, be prepared to provide a few key pieces of information. You will need your full Aspen card number. Also, have the last 4 digits of your Social Security number ready. Finally, you will be asked to confirm your date of birth. This information helps the system verify you are the legitimate cardholder. Keeping this handy makes the activation process much faster.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing music, setting alarms, or getting quick answers. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
After verifying your identity, the system will guide you to set your personal identification number, or PIN. This is a 4-digit code you will use for purchases and ATM withdrawals. Choose a number that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Avoid using sequential numbers or your birth year for security. Write it down somewhere safe if needed. Once you have set your PIN, the automated system will confirm that your Aspen card is now fully active. You should hear a clear confirmation message. At this point, your card is ready to be used for all its intended purposes. You can make purchases online or in stores and withdraw cash from ATMs. Enjoy the convenience of your new card.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.